honest, my heart hope to die, but I know that you can't be making any promises. You keep changing up your mind.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me, running through evergreen. Pretty blue jeans and me, yeah, she's what I need. Still need to recover from another lover. You're my picture perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother.
Sunflower, you're the light of my life. I got a few days off, I can show you my good side. If you got the time, I can stay for a while before the sun goes down. Would you meet me in the sunlight? You drive me
We weren't perfect for each other, but we were running away from another love. Couldn't get enough, did everything we dreamed of. In 2016, in Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of you, on some evenings I still feel it. I crack a smile when my heart's bleeding on the floor. I guess you clean out my drawer, 'cause we don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. How many nights do we go out? Always had something to talk about. Palace kitchen, sitting and listening. Feet on the floor, head up in the clouds. We weren't perfect for each other, but we were running away from another love. Couldn't get enough, did everything we dreamed of. In 2016, in Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of you.
talking to ya, but I'm spinning round in circles, again and again. It's not cutting through to ya, babe. It feels like you would rather go get drunk with your friends. So tell me, what do I have to do to get your attention? Oh honey, what am I supposed to do? Except that it's obvious that I need us, cause lately lost us all trust. Love, I need you to listen to me. So girl, just shut your mouth tonight, cause I've been trying to tell you, babe, that you are the one, and I think that we can get this right. But I need love, need trust, I ain't asking for much. If you can give it up, just let me know. Love's the kind of
Hanging my head out the window, trying to be that kid again. Hard to swallow rainbow ice cream, knowing it's just vanilla flavored in. You tell me that you'll be here when the summer starts to fade away. Cross my heart, hope to die, but I know that you can't be making any promises. You keep changing up your mind like a spin the bottle, playing hide and seek with all your problems. And I've been losing sleep cause you promised no take back. Wearing my heart like a Boy Scout.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. Feel your breath in my lungs, do you? Do I love the taste of your tongue, got a taste of your love, and I want you. And it goes way beyond the chemistry, the kind of friend that I can never have platonically. And they don't know about what's going on behind the scenes, but they don't need to. I swear I'll keep it between you and me. What we're doing, yeah.
Or shall we